I'm Shriya. I am studying BTech in Computer Science Engineering. I found out about Talent Sprint from my seniors in the V program, and they talked a lot about how helpful it was. So I have joined the Women in Software Engineering or WISE program. The course really helped me learn about the corporate culture and how to code so that my code isn't just for machines but for humans to understand and work with. And also it really helped me develop some computational thinking skills and problem solving skills that I didn't have before. We build a lot of projects during the program, and they're really helpful because it gives me a lot of practical knowledge, because a lot of things theory doesn't cover, and when I go in my career I will have to practically build things, and I'm getting a practice for that, so that has been really helpful. In bootcamp, my biggest learning was working with a team and learning a lot from my peers and how they work and collaborating with everybody. We also got the opportunity to present a lot in boot camps, which really helped build up my public speaking skills. And the mentors have been great in helping us, not just answering questions for us, but helping us think in the right direction to solve questions ourselves, which I think has been really helpful. The operation team is always ready to help out with anything, and also they help out with extra stuff too, like corporate skills and resume building and all of that.